It's interesting because we have so many people who every year predict the market crash. What I'm seeing still and have seen since I've been in this business for the last 10 years, except for a little bit of a slowdown in 2008, is that there's still a demand for homes. Immigrant mentality, people want home ownership. They know that, and statistically we know that people who own homes increase their wealth and far outpace people who decide to go rental route. Right? So are you seeing anyone just pushing the envelope too much? Do you feel there's any?
There always is.
Okay.
There's always.
Any more so than there were maybe?
I would say less so.
Oh, okay.
And part of that is because the government and the mortgage lenders have kind of reined things in a little bit. They've done it gradually, and they've done it with a good sense of responsibility. And they've reined it in so that it is a little more difficult to borrow money, which takes out that fringe segment of people who are just going to buy whatever they can.
Like the speculators?
The speculators.
Yeah.
So really the market right now is investors, and I differentiate between investors and speculators.
Yes, they're different.
Speculators are just looking to flip for a quick profit.
Yeah.
Investors are buying a rental property and they're going to rent it to somebody, and they're looking at a long term. And homeowners who are buying a place to live in, and they also have a long term view. So that's always very healthy for the market. The people who get hurt in a crash are really only the speculators. Because if you're an investor or a homeowner, even if prices go down, if you don't sell, doesn't matter. It's like owning a stock, and the stock goes down, well, hang on to it because it'll go back up again.
Yeah, and the rental market's very strong as well. There's a lot of demand.
It's getting stronger,
Yes.
and no end in sight between immigration and the fact that mortgage rules have gotten a little tighter and prices have gone a little higher. There's more people who, unfortunately, I suppose, can't afford to buy their own home.
Yeah.
I also don't think that our mentality is that everybody is entitled to own a home.
Yes, that's true.
Owning a home is a privilege and has to be viewed as such. And certainly we saw what happened in the United States when they did come up with the mentality that it's a God-given right, and that had disastrous consequences, post 2008.
That's true. Yeah.
So I think the fact that it's something that you have to earn is a really good thing, and it will keep people working towards it. And if people treat it the right way, they will become very wealthy in the long term.
Yeah.
It's your biggest asset for most of us.
Yes.
And the beauty of a mortgage is eventually it gets paid off.
Well, especially when it's paid off by the tenant, that's especially nice.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.